Hi everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'll be showing us how to create quick and functional add to cart page in Protopie. You know, when you're shopping on your phone and you click on add to cart button, you see the number on the cart icon increasing, right? So this is what I'll be doing in this video. I'll click on this drop down menu and go to plugins, select Protopie. I'll select this particular page that I want to export and click on export. So this will actually export my design to Protopie. And here is my design exported from Figma for me. The first thing I want to do now is to make this number 0 editable. So I'll select the number. I can select it from here and click on make editable. I'll click on add to cart button. I'll come to this add trigger. I'll click on add trigger, select tab. After selecting tab, I'll click on this plus icon and select text. On the select layer, I will choose my text, that's number 0. Then I'll come to this content and change the text to formula. I'll click on this input field and click on this icon here. Then I'll type number. I'll click on this number. I will then click on plus icon here. I'll click on this plus icon and select my text, that number 0. I will then type dot text. I'll come outside this bracket and add +1 and click on OK. So this is what we are going to do. After doing this, I'll click on run to see if it actually works. I'll click on this add to cart button now to see if my number increases from 0 to 1. As you can see, it's actually working. Let me click again. So my number is increasing from 1 to 2 to 3 and to 4. That means I've clicked this button 4 times. And this is how you can create a quick and functional add to cart page in Protopie for quick user testing and feedback. Subscribe to my channel to be notified when I drop a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and a comment for me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.